Hi guys, how are you? Happy Monday. So my name is Thrifty Pia. I am a part-time eBay seller, Poshmark, Amazon, Depop. I do YouTube videos once a week on items I sold on eBay and just everyday like low budget items that you could possibly find at thrift stores. But with the thrift stores being closed now, my video channel is going to get a little bit creative. I still do videos on thrifted, but you might see a video on my morning makeup routine. You might see a video on what I do throughout the day being quarantined. And you might see other videos of me doing DIY projects and a little bit home decor around the house, which all would tie into my budget-friendly channel. So just wanted to give you guys the update. So if you watched the previous videos, you know that my hours have been reduced. I'm on a 4-week rotating schedule. So what that means, 2 weeks I will work, and in the 2 weeks I will not work. I'm fully paid for the whole month, so I'm very grateful that my company I work for a hospital, and I work in an administrative part. My heart goes out to all those nurses and doctors, techs, CNAs, LPNs, all those people who are at the front line. So right now in our office, we're not seeing any patients, but we're still going into work. Doesn't mean that someone won't stop by. Sometimes people will just come in because they think that we're open, but we're not. It's still pretty much scary, but I wanted to bring more of a positive video, even though this month of March wasn't really that great with sales. Everything had already plummeted down, and I'm a part-time seller, so my sales were slow to begin with, so having this has made them even more slow. But I was pretty surprised though, that's why I know there's always light at the end of the tunnel. So for the month of March, I sold a couple of items on Amazon. Now, these items were items I had in my store way before all this happened. So I had these items probably for like a year or two. Some of them were even there for more than 2 years, but they sold. And I just want to show you guys, because you might have these in your house and you might think there's no value to them, and there is value to them. The first item I sold, and I was really excited about this. I bought this back in December of this December just passed. So it's a Spanish scramble. I've never seen a Spanish scramble. So I was at Savers, and I think they were having like a 50% off. So I knew there was some value in this, because I know there's going to be someone that, maybe they want to learn Spanish or they speak Spanish. I know they were going to buy it. So this one, it was pretty high though. I sold it for $38.57 on Amazon. Now, I'm just giving you guys the prices. This does not include, Amazon's fees. We all know Amazon's fees is completely different than eBay. This is the money that I sold it for. The next one I sold, now this one was a Hewlett Hog helicopter model kit airplane. I've never seen this before. Again, this was at a Savers. I believe I bought this around like September or something. And I always go to half day off. So they had it for, I think they had it for $6.99, and it was like 50% off of $6.99. So I grabbed it. I sold it for $32. So this is something that you guys could already see a pattern. The scrambles, it's a game board. So now most people are quarantined at home. They have time to watch TV. They really don't have anywhere to go. So game boards are a good way to pass time, spend time with your family. The model helicopter kit. This is probably someone who's into military, or it could be a parent. I want to maybe build a model airplane with their son or daughter. These are things that are going to put people together. So if you have game boards at home, you have model kits, definitely try and put them on Amazon. Sometimes they're gated, sometimes they're not. You just have to take a chance. The next one I sold was The Stranger book. It was $6.58. Now, I don't know if this book coincide with this new movie that's coming out this month in April, about The Stranger. So I don't know if they're related. But anyways, I sold it for $6.58. And that's pretty good for books. Some of these novel books on Amazon, sometimes I don't even bother putting them on because you're looking at either like $2 or $3 profit. But $6.58, that was pretty good. That's a pretty good turnaround for a book I got for free. The next one I sold was a jigsaw puzzle cookies, chocolate chip cookies. Now, I sold this for $28. Again, I found this at Savers. Savers, so that's why I love going to Savers. And I like Salvation Army too, but Savers, I would always find a lot of game boards. Now, this puzzle was $1 because Savers, whoever listened, didn't see any value in it. And I sold it for 28 bucks. I knew someone was going to buy it. Puzzles are kind of hard to sell on Amazon, but not always, you just have to get like, sometimes it's like a theme. Like there are people out there who love chocolate chip cookies. And this one, I knew someone was going to be a chocolate chip cookie lover. It's pretty dated. It was new, but I sold it for $28. The next item I sold, now this was off of a lot that I bought from my mother a few years ago. Angry Birds Wii. Guys, this is a Wii game. We all know Wii games, they don't really sell for that much on Amazon, but with people being home, this sold for $15 for something I bought for like change. I didn't even spend that much money because I had a lot of them. The other one I sold was Xbox Saint Row. Now, I had about 10 of these and I sold all 10. This was my last one that I sold on Amazon. I think I had another one on eBay, but that will be my video for the month of April because we're in March, you know, we're doing what we sold for March. I sold this one for $15.24. The other one I sold, now this was a whole lot of Symphony classic CDs I bought months ago at the Goodwill outlet. I sold it for $7 and I got it for change. And that was basically what my sales were. So altogether, I made $142 and some change. This does not include what I actually took home, but that's pretty good, guys. And this is what I sold. I didn't put anything for the month of March. I just basically completely like, I wouldn't say like forget about my business. I just didn't try to put anything on and I was getting sales. So there's a lot going on and everyone's life has changed dramatically. Every time you turn on the TV or you watch the news, it's always something about COVID. What I want to say is hang in there. If you're someone who is struggling financially, ask people for help, ask your friends for help, you know, and get the support you need. YouTube, I like to come on YouTube because when I'm having like a stressful day or I feel like it's too much, I go and watch other people's videos and I feel better, I feel happy. And it's not about, I don't do these videos, as you guys can see, for views. I do them because I like doing them. I do them because it's a way for me to relax and I feel like I'm doing something. So I would say now you're home, find a hobby, you know. Maybe you might want to start doing YouTube videos. Maybe you want to start painting again. Maybe you want to start building things, you know. That's how you are going to pass time. And going back to work this week, so I kind of feel normal, but things are not the same at work. It's completely different. But doing this video, I feel great. So I hope you guys like this video. And if you have any questions for me on, you know, what I sold or, you know, what you can sell, definitely let me know. You can send me a message below. I hope to see you guys next time. So again, just to recap, things to sell at home right now. This is my you know, my opinion. This is what I've seen for other sellers. Game boards, books, CDs, pajamas, anything that's going to put people together. Those are the type of things that are selling really good right now on Amazon and eBay. I don't know much clothing. I've seen other people sell clothes. And I don't know if they're like brand name clothes, but I actually, if you guys can see, I have a whole rack back there. I was supposed to list a few items, but I haven't done that yet, but that's something I plan on working on. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.